So, very good afternoon to all of you. I am Indra Vijay Singh, and today I am going to discuss about the cell phone tower radiation and their effects under the FDP of environmental and sustainability. So, now this is details of week one video details. This is the details of week two video details, and I have uploaded all those video details on my YouTube channel, and people started to like it. So here, the outcome of this presentation or video, we can learn how we can prevent the radiation of cell tower and phone. What are the effects of all these radiation on the human beings? So what are the limitations and what is the scenario in India? What about the power density? I mean, maximum power density allowed in India. So all those factors we can know after this presentation. These are the contents: introduction, literature survey, radiation pattern, biological effects, EMF evaluation, and EMF survey, ERP, and result analysis solution. So here, introduction. Now we can see that because of the advent of 4G technologies, this wireless communication has become very popular, and day by day so many services are being included over here. So there is some specific parameter who are going to measure the radiation density in the environment. If the density is more than that, that is dangerous for the human being. That's why we need to stop it. So here you can see cell tower. So here radiation, power radiated by cell tower in this we can see, and high, medium, low, primary value, near value, and these are the distance: 1 meter, 3 meter, 5, 10, 5, 50, 100, and power density allowed, power density in microwatt. So here you can see that near 50 to 300 meters near to the tower, the radiation density is very dangerous. And if human beings are present in this area, we can say they are in exposed region and they are getting a lot of radiation. So we can say that they can become cancerous, or they can become the victim of any type of diseases. Now radiation norms. So here, if the level is 0.1 microwatt per meter square, no concern. If the value is 0.1 to 10 microwatt per meter square, slight concern. If the value is 10 to 1000 microwatt per meter square, severe concern. So here, power density radiated by the tower is 4.7 watt per meter square, but in our environment, power should be less than 0.01 microwatt per centimeter square. If it is more than that, it is a very dangerous. Here, some cases we can see over here. A man claims cell tower gave him cancer. Supreme Court shut it down. So this has published in 2012 in Mumbai. One near 20 years old person, nearby his residence, there was one tower, and persons applied in Supreme Court and claimed that because of this cell tower, we are suffering a lot of problems. I have a lot of diseases. Therefore, it may be replaced from here to another place. And by the Supreme Court, it has been replaced. Thank you.